So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about angel broking share. So we know back-to-back correction is observed in few stocks, especially all the nifty mid caps and small caps have corrected a little bit, but all the banking stocks are performing very well because of the quarter results that they have declared. So angel broking recently it has given the result and it has posted some very good result, profit growth, revenue, everything is perfect. So only thing is market condition is not stable at the current levels. So Nifty Bank is going in upside direction, whereas Nifty stocks are showing little bit of correction. So mismatch is present. So that's why few stocks are in correction. So best time is to buy some quality stocks where the recent quarter results were declared for a few companies. So try to find in that way. So we will also discuss few. So one such stock is going to be angel broking. So today we'll discuss the complete technicals and also we'll see the day-to-day advice deliveries. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so if we observe the day-to-day advice deliveries in angel broking, so we can see on 22nd October, we have seen 36.4% deliveries, and slightly the traded quantity has decreased because of the volatility in the stock. And percentage wise, if we see on an average 30 to 40% deliveries are maintained, so which is pretty good. So we can see back-to-back correction was present in the stock. You can see almost you can say more than 20% the stock has corrected. So already we know the stock has given few upper circuits in between, so before declaring the quarter result. So after declaring some very good result, it has come below the support level. So now again it is at a very good region. So we'll discuss what are the major supports that we need to focus. So right now if we see delivery percentage, so that is pretty good. Okay, so if we see the weekly chart of angel broking, so we can see after a very good breakout, so we can see it has given some very good movement. It has faced a resistance in the 1600 plus rupees levels. Again, when it has shown little bit of correction, even when market was showing little bit of downside signal, so the stock has almost approached near the retest level, but it could not sustain the retest, and again it has started going down. So now it is completely traveling in a range. So you can see the range bottom as well. So this is on weekly chart. So maximum it cannot go that down, because if it goes that down, so there would be no reason for the stock, because already it has given some very good financials. So the best support at the current levels would be 1200. So first would be 1200, after that 1150. So these can be the ultimate supports for the stocks in near term, and do check out that. So this is on weekly chart basis. And if we go and see the money flow index, so already it was completely in overbought region, angel broking. So now it has come little bit down, and you can see the money flow region is 64, so not completely in overbought, so at a very decent range. So it has given already huge returns from the listing. So from 400 rupees you can expect currently it is near 1250. So good returns were already given. So whatever the correction we are seeing is because of only the overvaluedness present in the stock. But we need to remember, a stock which is going continuously upside will go in that manner itself. Whatever the retracements we observe are only temporary. Okay, so next if we observe the daily chart time frame, so we can see this was the level after where we have discussed, and almost it has given some very good target of 1600 plus. So after that we have seen little bit of downtrend, and you can see now it has come in this particular range. It has broke the support level. So as I told, focus 1200, after that 1150, and ultimate would be 1100. So try to grab here as much as you can, because this is a parabolic fall. So whenever parabolic fall happens, the same way the reversal also will be very sharp. So in swing trading, so definitely you will be benefited. So keep in watch list. So try to average as much as you can. So if you're still holding, so these are the next near term supports. So resistance wise, the first one would be 1350. So once it breaks the 1350 in upside direction, so first target would be 1500. Okay, so these are the near term levels. And money flow in daily chart is near 61. So it has also come down a little bit because of the back-to-back correction. So this is all about angel broking. So further any doubts you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.